Hi everyone, welcome back again. So almost after 1 year, we have hit the roads again. This time we went to Kodaikanal, the queen of hill stations. Kodaikanal is situated at the Dindigul district in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. At 2000 meters above sea level, it is a perfect spot for summer vacations. It was a 220 kilometer drive for us. We started at around 3:30 in the morning and reached within 5 hours. It has been a very long time since I have taken my car to the hill stations. So I was also very eager to know how well my car could handle the hilly terrains. And I was not disappointed. This is a 2017 model Hyundai Creta 1.6 liter petrol engine with manual transmission. The car has done 74,000 kilometers so far, which is not bad for a 3.5-year-old petrol engine. So let's get straight into the video.
Hi, finally we are at Kodaikanal. It's a sunny day here in Kodaikanal, not what we expected when we started. So due to the puja holidays, there is not much traffic. Otherwise, at such times, there will be traffic jams here. So we are lucky on that front. So we start for a small break. The temperature showing on my car dashboard is 18 degrees Celsius. It's winter time. Usually Kodaikanal is not like this. I have come here a lot of times, but this time it's a different experience. I was expecting a lot of rain here today, but it was the other way around. One good thing is they have relayed all the roads. The roads are in excellent condition for a hill station. This is the first time I am using my first gear here. So far while climbing, the car was very comfortable in the third and the fourth gears.
Let us see it through my dash cam.
This is the first time I am using my first gear here. So far while climbing, the car was very comfortable in the third and the fourth gears. Yes, we have arrived finally.
This is what makes me like my car so much. Once the rear seats are folded, it can carry a lot of baggages. Let me share some of those unforgettable moments at Kodaikanal.